Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look using some new products that I've acquired as well as highlighting some of my current favorites. It's very sultry, very purple and spring appropriate. So I hope you like it. Okay, so I'm starting by prepping the skin with this hyaluronic acid serum from Glossier, as well as using some of my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, which I love. And then my MAC strobe cream, this one is in the shade Gold Light. It's so pretty. So basically what I'm going to do now is place the strobe cream on the high points of the face. So on the nose, above the eyebrows, and maybe in the center of the forehead, along the cheekbones, chin. And I'm basically creating a layer of glow so that it creates a really beautiful finish when I put on the matte foundation that I'm going to use. Next, also to help with building the glow, I'm going to be using the RMS The Magic Luminizer. Next, to top that off, I'm going to be going in with the Beauty Blender Full Coverage Longwear Whipped Matte Foundation. Next, going in with my current favorite concealer. I love the thick consistency of it, and this one has a really nice warm undertone. It is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and this one I believe is in the shade 310, which is a really beautiful shade for highlighting the face because of that warm to neutral undertone that it gives. It's also very full coverage, and for more coverage, lay the wand down flat under the eye and you'll get an even and full coverage application. Now using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder in the shade Banana. By the way, this feels heavenly. I'm going to proceed to use the Huda Beauty Bake and Blend brush to make a little baby bake under the eyes, and I won't leave it in for more than 30 seconds per se, just enough to lock it in place and do the job of brightening.
Like Leo in The Revenant, Abel in that Bible bit. Revenge is sweet, isn't it? Really hope for it. I know that it won't fix a thing.
Guys, I'm so excited. Like, literally, I just got my hands on the Naked Cherry palette by Urban Decay. Can't be more excited. Okay, so I already, highlighted the brow bone with the shade Caution. Hotspot. But now I'm going in with Caution in the crease to create, that shadow. And then I'm going to wing it out and have it, a cat eye vibe. Then drag that all down to the, lower lash line, all with the brush that comes with the palette. I actually really like that brush. I'm basically creating a shadow. Now lower in the crease, I am using the shade Feels, and then I'm going to be using the shade Bing to add a little bit of dimension to the outer corner, and then I'm using the shade Devilish to define the inner and outer corner. So I'm kind of creating a halo eye, I'm going to highlight the center of her lid with some other shade. And doing this will create a lot of really nice dimension, and highlighting the center of the lid will actually make the illusion of bigger eyes. So keep layering on these pigments. I find that they're actually take these pigments in particular, they take a little bit of layering and then blending. And this palette also does have quite a bit of fallout. But I mean, I don't really mind fallout because I'm not that annoyed. I can just brush it off. But if fallout is something that you hate, then maybe think about that before purchasing this palette. So I already put the shade Ambitious all over the lid, as you can see. It's really pretty. The shadows are a little bit chalky. They have a little bit of fallout. So the best way to use them is with your finger, because that way they adhere to the lid and your finger much nicely, sorry. And then I just proceeded to place Bang Bang, like the pink shade, in the center of the lid to create a halo. But then to add to that halo, I used the shade Turn On, which is a really pretty light gold shade. So by highlighting the center of the eyes, I may have already said this, but it does really do a good job of making the eyes look bigger. I'm quickly adding some bronzer to the face with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil matte bronzer in the shade Medium. It's really good. You guys see me use this a lot because it's the perfect in-between neutral shade so that you can contour and bronze with it. It looks good on almost every skin tone. It's a must-have. smells like chocolate. It's like, I usually just pop this in the hollows of the cheekbone and then blend it out and then like spread it along the perimeters of the face. You want to use a light hand with this because this bronzer is very pigmented. And don't forget to carve out like the jawline. Basically, by contouring, you're creating a shadow that's already existent. So contour your face for your face. I'm opting for a more berry toned mauve blush option, so I picked out the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Berry Amour. And obviously, I'm going to be using my favorite highlighter, the Desi X Katy Fuego highlighter from their Dose of Colors collection, which I absolutely love. It's this beige sparkle color that sits on the skin, and then when you turn to the side, it reflects almost like this beautiful, delicious liquid glow. I already lined the lips with Kylie Cosmetics Iced Latte Lip Liner, and I think I'm going to use this RMS lipstick. It looks really pretty. It's in the shade Sweet Nothing. It's so nice. That is the finished look of this monochromatic purple burgundy makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I enjoyed filming this so much. This is probably one of my favorite looks I've done just because it's so versatile, so glam, and yeah. Obviously, I did some things off camera like her brows and lashes, but all in all, I think this came off really well. If you do want me to do a eyebrow tutorial or an eyelash tutorial, then comment in below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Supporting my channel and subscribing would mean a lot to me, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!